Sikkim, a Himalayan jewel. Nestled amidst the majestic Himalayas, Sikkim is a paradise for nature lovers. This small state in northeastern India is a hidden gem, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. This small Indian state is a tapestry of vibrant cultures, ancient monasteries, and breathtaking landscapes. The people of Sikkim celebrate their heritage with colorful festivals and traditional dances, making it a cultural haven. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering snow-capped peaks, lush valleys, and pristine alpine meadows. The natural beauty here is unparalleled, with every season bringing its own charm. This is Sikkim, a place where every turn reveals a scene of captivating beauty. From the vibrant rhododendron forests in spring to the serene snow-covered landscapes in winter, Sikkim is a visual feast. Sikkim's allure lies in its unspoiled natural beauty. The state has managed to preserve its environment, making it a haven for those seeking a connection with nature. Far from the madding crowds, it offers a sanctuary for the soul. The quiet and serene landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for introspection and relaxation. Here you can lose yourself in the tranquility of nature, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and listen to the whispers of the wind. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant call of birds create a symphony of peace. Whether you seek adventure or serenity, Sikkim has something to offer everyone. From thrilling treks and river rafting to peaceful retreats and yoga sessions, Sikkim caters to all kinds of travelers. Don't miss the chance to explore the local markets, where you can find traditional Sikkimese handicrafts and savor the local cuisine. The flavors of Sikkim are as diverse as its landscapes, offering a culinary journey that is sure to delight your taste buds. The state's rich biodiversity is another highlight. Home to a variety of flora and fauna, Sikkim is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. The forests and sanctuaries are teeming with life, offering a glimpse into the region's natural heritage. As the day comes to an end, the sunsets over the Himalayas paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The evenings in Sikkim are a time for reflection and gratitude as you take in the beauty of this Himalayan jewel. And when night falls, the clear skies reveal a blanket of stars, offering a perfect end to your day. In Sikkim, every moment is a reminder of the wonders of nature and the serenity it brings. Yuksum, stepping into history. Our journey begins in Yuksum, a historical town steeped in legends and charm. Nestled in the heart of Sikkim, this quaint town is not just a destination but a journey back in time. The serene landscapes and the majestic mountains that surround Yuksum create a picturesque setting that feels almost otherworldly. Once the starting point for traders traversing the Silk Road, Yuksum is now a gateway to some of Sikkim's most stunning trekking trails. These trails wind through lush forests, past cascading waterfalls, and up to breathtaking viewpoints that offer panoramic vistas of the Himalayas. The paths are not just routes but stories etched into the earth, telling tales of ancient traders and adventurers who once walked these very trails. The air here is thick with history and spirituality, a reminder of the ancient kingdoms that once ruled this land. Yuksum was the first capital of Sikkim, established in 1642 by the first Chogyal, king of Sikkim, Phuntsog Gyal. The coronation throne, Norbugang Chorten, still stands as a symbol of the town's regal past. This sacred site is surrounded by lush greenery and exudes a sense of peace and reverence. As you stroll through the cobblestone streets of Yuksum, you'll encounter ancient monasteries adorned with colorful prayer flags. These flags flutter in the wind, carrying prayers and mantras to the heavens. The streets themselves are a mosaic of history, with each stone telling a story of the countless feet that have walked over them through the centuries. The Dubdi Monastery, the oldest in Sikkim, stands as a testament to the region's rich Buddhist heritage. Founded in 1701, this monastery is a treasure trove of ancient manuscripts, thangkas, Buddhist paintings, and statues. The architecture of Dubdi is a blend of traditional Tibetan and Sikkimese styles, with intricate woodwork and vibrant murals that depict the life and teachings of Buddha. The air is filled with the chanting of monks, creating an atmosphere of profound peace and tranquility. The rhythmic chants combined with the serene surroundings make Yuksum a perfect place for meditation and introspection. Visitors often find themselves lost in the spiritual ambience, feeling a deep connection to the ancient wisdom that permeates this land. Whether you're a history buff, a spiritual seeker, or an adventurer, Yuksum offers a unique experience that touches the soul and ignites the imagination. The enchanting Yumthang Valley. Prepare to be mesmerized by the ethereal beauty of Yumthang Valley, often referred to as the Valley of Flowers. Located at an altitude of 11,800 feet, this valley bursts into a riot of colors during the spring months. Imagine yourself walking amidst a carpet of vibrant rhododendrons, primulas, and poppies, their delicate petals dancing in the gentle breeze. The Shingba Rhododendron Sanctuary, home to over 24 species of rhododendrons, is a sight to behold. As you wander through this floral paradise, the air is filled with the sweet fragrance of blossoms, creating an intoxicating sensory experience. The Divine Gochala Trek. For the adventurous souls, the Gochala Trek is an unforgettable experience. This challenging yet rewarding trek takes you to the Gochala Pass, offering breathtaking views of Mount Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in the world. Imagine yourself standing at the pass, surrounded by towering peaks, their snow-capped summits piercing the sky. The trail winds through dense rhododendron forests, pristine lakes, and rugged terrains. As you ascend higher, the air gets thinner, but the views become more awe-inspiring. The Gochala Trek is not for the faint-hearted, but it is an experience that will stay with you forever. Section 5. The mystical Tsomgo Lake. Nestled high in the mountains, Tsomgo Lake is a sight to behold. Legend has it that this glacial lake changes color with the seasons, adding to its mystique. Imagine yourself standing by the lake, its turquoise waters reflecting the surrounding snow-capped peaks. During winter, the lake freezes over, its surface transformed into a giant mirror reflecting the azure sky. The surrounding hills are blanketed in snow, creating a scene of ethereal beauty. Whether you visit during the summer or winter, Tsomgo Lake is sure to leave you spellbound. Section 6. Zuluk, the winding road to beauty. The journey to Zuluk is as enthralling as the destination itself. This remote village is perched at an altitude of 10,100 feet and is known for its hairpin bends and stunning views. Imagine yourself driving along the winding road, each turn revealing a new vista of snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys. Zuluk offers breathtaking views of the majestic Kanchenjunga range. The air is crisp and clean, and the silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the valleys. This hidden gem is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Section 7. Pelling, where Kanchenjunga beckons. Pelling offers unparalleled views of Mount Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest peak. This charming town is a popular base for treks and excursions into the surrounding Himalayas. Imagine waking up to the sight of Kanchenjunga, bathed in the golden glow of the rising sun, its snow-capped peak piercing the sky. The Pema Yangtze Monastery, one of the most important monasteries in Sikkim, is located near Pelling. This ancient monastery is known for its intricate murals and sculptures, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of the region. Section 8. Tranquility and rejuvenation. Sikkim's natural beauty is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a balm for the soul. Nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, this northeastern state of India is a sanctuary of peace and serenity. The lush green valleys, the towering snow-capped peaks, and the vibrant flora and fauna create a picturesque landscape that seems almost otherworldly. The tranquility of the mountains, with their majestic presence, offers a sense of calm that is hard to find elsewhere. The serene mountain range, standing tall and proud, seems to whisper ancient secrets to those who are willing to listen. The sound of gushing waterfalls, cascading down the rugged terrain, adds to the symphony of nature. These waterfalls, with their relentless flow, symbolize the continuous cycle of life and the rejuvenating power of nature. And the fresh mountain air, crisp and invigorating, fills your lungs with a sense of purity and vitality. The misty mornings in the mountains, with the first rays of the sun piercing through the fog, create a magical atmosphere that is both calming and energizing. Imagine yourself meditating amidst the serene surroundings, the gentle breeze caressing your face, and the sounds of nature providing a soothing background score. The practice of yoga and meditation in such a tranquil environment can help you achieve a deeper state of relaxation and mindfulness. Letting go of all your worries and stress becomes effortless when you are surrounded by such natural beauty. The stress-free meditation sessions in Sikkim can help you reconnect with your inner self and find a sense of balance and harmony. Whether you choose to trek through the Himalayas, exploring the rugged trails and experiencing the thrill of adventure, or simply take a leisurely walk through the verdant forests, Sikkim offers a variety of activities that cater to all levels of fitness and interest. Meditate in an ancient monastery, where the chants of monks and the aroma of incense create a spiritual ambience that is both uplifting and grounding. These monasteries, with their rich history and cultural significance, provide a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the spiritual heritage of Sikkim, or simply soak in the beauty of your surroundings, taking in the panoramic views and letting the natural splendor wash over you. The scenic vistas of Sikkim, with their breathtaking beauty, offer a perfect backdrop for relaxation and contemplation. Sikkim offers the perfect escape from the stresses of modern life. The peaceful retreats and serene landscapes provide a sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, find inner peace, and rediscover the simple joys of life. The connection with nature in Sikkim is profound, offering a sense of belonging and tranquility that is truly transformative. And return home feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The experiences and memories you create in Sikkim will stay with you long after you leave, serving as a reminder of the tranquility and rejuvenation that this beautiful state has to offer. Section 9. Where will your journey take you? As our journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Sikkim comes to an end, we are left with a sense of wonder and a longing to explore more of our beautiful planet. Each corner of the world holds its own unique charm, waiting to be discovered. So tell me, dear reader, where will your journey take you next? What hidden gems are you eager to uncover? The world is your oyster, ready to be explored.